Hey everyone, this is Dr. Amy Lund, and I wanted to take some time to introduce myself and to walk you through how to gain access to our textbook and our social reading experience at Perusall.com, which is a website we'll be using outside of our main Blackboard environment, which is where you'll do most of the work for the class. So here we are at the main page of Perusall. I've taken you that far. And the next thing that you'll do is you'll enroll in the course. And in order to do that, you need the code that I provided at Blackboard. But I'll show it to you now as well. So you click here. And if you're in a class that you signed up for that was supposed to be at Kendall Campus this summer and be blended partially in person, then your code is my last name, Lund, and then 8U994. There it is. Others of you are enrolled in a course that was always intended to be a virtual class and is taught through the virtual college. Here's your code. It's TCLJH. Once you have the correct code for your course in, click Save Changes, and it will take you to the main environment for our class. Where I recommend going first is clicking on this tab called Get Started, which explains to you exactly how the Perusall website works, what advantages it might have for your learning, and one thing that I always like is to see some examples of what I'm going to do. So here are the examples that you could see of how you're going to annotate the text. When we come here to Documents, it already knows what the textbook is for this class, and it gives you some purchase options. It also shows you the first two assignments that I have posted. There'll be more each week as more lessons open. Finally, this is the easiest way I have found to buy the textbook. You come to assignments. Here's the first assignment. We're ready to work on it, but when we click on work on assignment, it will know that we haven't purchased the textbook yet. So you click here, and what you'll see is that if you buy directly through Perusall, you'll need the 180-day online access, which costs $45.98. And then you come down here to a billing dialog where you enter your information. And I don't know why it's giving you that price right there. Oh, yes, I do, because it's still clicked up there. But you'll click down to here, and then you'll be able to complete your purchase. And once you've completed it, you'll be able to access the textbook from our class page. If you bought the Perusall code, it needs to be the Perusall one from the MDC bookstore, then instead tab over to here and enter your code, and that will get you set up to be in the class. And then once you've done that, you can come back here and you'll begin working on your reading for the course. All right, I hope this was helpful. I plan to make more of these short videos to get you oriented to the class. If you have a specific concern or task that you would like me to make a video about, please feel free to send me an email to let me know, and I'll try and respond to your needs. All right,